I welcome you to this session of ISO 9001 2015, and today we are going to talk about clause number 6.3, planning of changes. Now, as usual, first of all, I'll read out the requirement to you as given in the standard. Clause 6.3, planning of changes. When the organization determines need for changes to the quality management system, the changes shall be carried out in a planned manner. The organization shall consider A, B, C, D. There are 4 points in this. A, the purpose of the changes and their potential consequences. B, integrity of the quality management system. C, availability of resources. And D, the allocation or reallocation of responsibilities and authorities. This is a small clause pertaining to changes in planning of changes in the quality management system. So let us start discussing it in more detail. See, as the title says, we are supposed to be planning the changes, if we want to make any, in the quality management system. Well, the quality management system comprises of so many things. It comprises of the operating procedures, the work instructions, the responsibility charts, interrelationship of the processes, and so many other things. And all the requirements of this standard have to be met. So, when planning the changes, the organization has to determine the need for changes. Is there any need for any change? See, there is a procedure, there is a work instruction, and a methodology for working, and how to control, how to maintain records. There are so many aspects in this. Carrying out of inspection, the quality plan, and so many things. So, need for changes to the quality management system has to be established. Whether is there any need? If there is need, then we have to identify that need for change in the quality management system. And changes shall be carried out in a planned manner. So, first of all, we must identify the changes that we want to make to the quality management system, and they must be well considered changes and definitely taking us towards some kind of improvement. And then the requirement says that the organization shall consider these 4 points. A, the purpose of the changes and their potential consequences. What is the purpose of the change, why we are making it, and what is going to happen if we make the changes. What all effects it will carry with it. It may result in certain improvement in certain areas, but it may result in some problems also. So we have to examine all around, all over, and see what is the purpose of the changes and what are the potential consequences of the change that we are proposing. And then the change has to be carried out by the authorized persons. Everybody and anybody cannot make changes to the quality management system. There are people who are authorized to make changes in the quality management system. So the organization will depend on those people, and they are supposed to be making these changes. And B is integrity of the quality management system. That means whatever requirements are there, whether pertaining to the customer requirement or the standards requirement or the organization's requirement or legal requirements, see, all requirements have to be made. All requirements have to be satisfied. So we have to ensure that the system, the quality management system, it remains integral. The integrity of the quality management system is not lost when we are making changes. So we have to look all around and see that we are not missing out on anything, and the integrity of the quality management system is maintained. Now next is availability of resources. Whatever changes we are going to make, is it going to result in the addition of some resources? Then how we are going to add those resources? Whether we have the potential to provide those new resources, or whatever is the condition pertaining to the resources that are needed if we make any changes to the procedure or the work instruction or the methodology or the way we are providing the product or the service to the customer. So we have to ensure that all available resources, including human resource, material resource, process resource, inspection resource, transport resources, all kinds of resources. So we have to make that the resources shall remain available to satisfy these changes also. And the last point is allocation or reallocation of responsibilities and authorities. See, when we are writing a procedure or a work instruction, we have to fix the responsibility. To what extent the operator is responsible, to what extent and for what purpose the supervisor is responsible, and likewise the responsibility of inspection, transport division, stores, and the entire organization as such. So we have to ensure that the allocation or reallocation of responsibilities and authorities is made to suit the changes. Whether the changes are demanding any change in the responsibility and authority, then those changes have got to be made also, along with the change in the procedure and the change in the methodology wherever we are making changes. So that's all in this small class. I hope you have understood it fully and completely. But if there is any doubt, anything that you have not understood, please give your comment below this video and I'll try to explain to you again, so that there is no doubt remaining about the requirement. And if you are liking my video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and also share my videos with your friends and colleagues who are also pursuing ISO 9001-2015 in either in your organization or maybe in some other organization. Please do not forget to share my videos with them, because whatever exchange of knowledge is taking place between us, they also get benefited by that. And please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon, so that as and when I load my video, the information will reach you well in time and you will be able to see my videos without any delay. Thank you very much, and we are meeting on next Sunday on next class, that is support and resources, and 7.1.1 general under the resources. Okay, bye bye and see you on next Sunday. Bye.